If you want to uninstall Telegram on Windows, this quick guide will walk you through the exact steps. Whether you no longer use Telegram desktop, want to free up storage, or just need to remove the app from your PC, this process is simple and only takes a minute or two. If this video helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials. It really helps the channel grow, and it lets you know when more step-by-step guides are uploaded. Alright, let's get into it. First, open the control panel on your Windows computer. You can do this by clicking the Start menu and typing Control Panel, then selecting it from the search results. Once the control panel opens, look for the Programs section. Under that section, click Uninstall a program. This will open the list of all programs installed on your Windows device. Now you'll see a full list of installed applications. At the top of the list, use the search box if available and type Telegram. This makes it easier to find the correct app quickly, especially if you have a lot of software installed. In the results, look for Telegram Desktop. Make sure you select the desktop version, since that is the version installed on your Windows computer. Once Telegram Desktop is highlighted, click Uninstall at the top of the window. Windows may ask you to confirm that you want to remove the program. If that confirmation box appears, click Yes or confirm the uninstall. After that, Windows will begin removing Telegram from your system. Depending on your computer, the uninstall process may take a few moments. Just wait for it to finish. When it's done, Telegram Desktop should be removed from your Windows PC. If you want to make sure it's gone, you can go back to the program list and confirm that it no longer appears there. And that's it. You've successfully uninstalled Telegram on Windows. As you can see, it's a very straightforward process once you know where to look. If this tutorial helped you out, please give it a like and subscribe for more simple Windows how-to videos, app tutorials, and troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.